In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom Microsoft form in just a few easy steps. Whether you need a form for gathering feedback, quizzes, or surveys, Microsoft Forms has got you covered. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can be customized to meet a variety of needs, and today we'll walk through the process together. First, we'll begin by navigating to forms.office.com. Once you arrive at the site, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft 365 credentials. If you don't have these handy, be sure to retrieve them before getting started. Once you're signed in and ready to go, look for the option labelled New Form or New Quiz. Click on this to begin creating your custom form. Now it's time to enter the basic details about your form. You'll want to give your form a title that reflects its purpose. This is also a great place to add an optional description to provide more context or instructions for your respondents on what exactly you're looking to achieve with your form. With the basic setup complete, let's add some flair. Choose a theme to set a color scheme or style for your form, adding visual interest and helping to make your form more appealing to those who will be filling it out. Now, the central part of crafting your form is constructing questions. Click on Add New to begin this process. You'll have a variety of question types to select from, such as multiple choice, text, ratings, dates, rankings, and more. Simply choose the format that best suits the information you're looking to collect, because different question types can yield different insights. After selecting your question type, fill in the required fields relevant to that choice. For example, if you've added a multiple choice question, make sure to input all the possible answers. If you're using a text response, consider enabling the long answer option to give respondents more space to provide detailed feedback. To enhance the appearance of your form even further, revisit the theme settings. You can select a different theme at any point to better match your design preferences or the tone you wish the form to convey. An organized form is easier to navigate. To achieve this, consider using sections to group related questions together logically. This approach not only helps respondents, but also makes it easier for you to manage and analyze the data later. Once your form is complete, it's time to share it. Microsoft Forms offers several sharing options. Click the Share button to generate a link, QR code, or send the form directly via email. You also have the flexibility to share the form with specific people or groups. And that's it, you've just created a custom Microsoft form tailored to your unique needs. With these straightforward steps, you're well on your way to collecting valuable information from your audience. Happy form building!